before these times, the Naklukmuk people lived with the land, spoke languages rich with meaning, sang songs rising with the wind, and learned teachings passed from grandparent to child.
Friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence.
But that way of life was broken. Children were taken from their families, placed in schools where their voices were silenced and their traditions were forbidden. Many never returned, and those who did came home carrying wounds that stretched across generations. These truths are not distant. They lived in the memories of the survivors, in the stories of families, in the silence of those who were lost. And yet, within that truth, there is also strength. Our people endured, our songs remain, our language still rises. Truth and reconciliation calls us to remember not only the sorrow of what was taken, but the courage of those who held on. It asks us to honor their strength and to walk forward with honesty and respect. This is the story we carry as Naklukmuk. This is the path we must continue.
They put together a committee, they put together boards, they put together legislation that talk about how we're supposed to address truth and reconciliation. Yet the harder that we try to do that, the more pushback we get. We have an opportunity all the time to make a change to that. We just have to have partners that are willing to do that. We talk about the generations that are here. Leadership is carried by all of us. It's a responsibility by all of us to share with the little ones, to try and create a place where they belong, where they remember the songs, where they remember the language, traditions, culture, the practices.
In the morning sky, there I will be, there I will be, soaring with the eagles.
I'm Jason Robertson, one of the 12 councillors of Lytton First Nations, and it really warms my heart to see all the people gathering here today. I'm really recognizing the different families that have been impacted through the residential school system and how it has affected our community as a whole. And today is a tremendous opportunity for everybody to come together for one common reason and show our power as a people. It really shows what we can accomplish when we're all thinking about the same goals and dreams and aspirations.
Hi, Janet Webster, Gina Metco. I just wanted to say that we're gathered here to honor the residential school survivors and Every Child Matters. It's such a beautiful day. We wanted to kind of bring some culture activities and brushing and traditional medicines to our community to ensure and lighten the hearts of the residential school survivors. What it means to me is that we bring healing to our community, to one person at a time, so that they're looked after and that families could become healthier. and one again, and one family, one nation. Thank you.
From the truth we inherit, we are called to build something new. The legacy of residential schools will never be forgotten. It is etched into the history of this land and into the memory of the Nk'Ma people, but it does not end there.
You belong among the wildflowers. You belong on a boat out at sea. Sail away, kill off the hours. You belong somewhere you feel free. Sail away, go find a lover. Go away, somewhere brand new. I see no other that compares with you. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong on a boat out at sea. You belong with your love on your arm. You belong somewhere you feel free.
Reconciliation is the work of every generation. It is listening to the voices that were silenced, learning the histories that were hidden, and ensuring that our children grow up knowing the truth. It is restoring what was broken: language, culture, family, identity, and walking together with respect. The path is long, but it is not walked alone. Elders guide us, survivors lead us, and youth carry the hope of what is yet to come. We honor the past, we live with truth in the present, and we shape a future where healing can grow. This is not the end of the story, it is a beginning, and it is ours as the Nk'Ma Nation to carry forward together.
Ilana. Very pretty. Ayla. Akina and Squash. Samantha and Squash. Silas and Squash.
Lucas and Squash. Caddy and Squash. Megan and Squash. Nicole and Squash. Riley and Squash.
Leonard and Squash. Isabella and Squash.
Dominic and Squash.
Letty and Squash.
Ethan and Squash. Odin and Squash.